Scott's going crazy. I'm in the area of Coral Gables. I was getting my son's cast off because he had a little problem. There are trees still on the floor. Go. Why won't you go? I don't know what happened. There are trees everywhere. So you can see. Look at that. From Hurricane Katrina. Listen to me, I'm sorry. From Hurricane Irma. My bad, people, my bad. I'm like in another world right now. People trying to get there. Sorry, senor. Oh, my poor car. It got scratched. Mommy. Trees falling off. Trying to make it through this jungle. Trees falling off in people's property here in Coral Gables. Trees flew. Still, there's 5 or 6 million people in Miami-Dade that don't have light, and I'm one of them. I don't have light. I haven't had light since Saturday. And they're saying that they may put the light on till Sunday or Monday. If not, then another week without light. Adrian, stop. Hey, stop. Stop. And being with 2 kids without light, it's not. What the fuck? Go! ¡Ta madre, hombre!